Good evening, guys. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is box break number 150, 1314 artifacts. And here is your list of winning bidders. Alright, just a couple things to go over before we start. First, we'll go over our roulette board. So we've got green chips on 0 and 00. We've got orange on 2. We've got green on 7, green on 11, green on 13, green on 18, orange on 20, green on 22, orange on 27, green on 28, and 32. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away the associated card. If we spin a green chip, we will be giving away this Tyler Kuma Prime Rookies. And if we give away, or if we spin an orange chip, we'll be giving away this Daniel Sedin Net Crashers card in a highly taped up plastic case. Our versus cards for today are as follows. In the red corner, we have a Future Watch rookie patch auto of Juicy Arinus for the Leafs. And if we spin enough black numbers, we'll be giving away this Team 8s for the Dallas Stars, featuring Jamie Oleksiak, Christopher Nilstorp, Jack Campbell, Kerry Lettinen, Philip Larson, Jamie Benn, Louis Eriksson, and Antoine Roussel. So that is our black card. Every time we spin one of their colors, each card will get a counter, and at the end of the break, the card with the most counters on it will win, and will be given away. Our short straw cards for today look like as follows. We'll be giving away a pair of Jets cards today. We got a Toby Enstrom Game Worn Gear and a Carl Klingberg rookie auto from Elite. So those two cards will head to two separate teams who failed to get hits during the regular portion of the break. Before we get to our box of artifacts, though, we're going to spin our wheel to get things started. And this spin will determine what team is going to be getting a refund for this break. So here's our spin. And that is going to be team number 1 getting the refund. So we will take a look at our board. We spun number 1 last break. It was the last number revealed. And that is going to be going to the Dallas Stars. So the refund to the Stars and RJ806. So congratulations, RJ. I will refund you that a little later on. And without further ado, here's our box of artifacts. The serial number for this break is 200153214. Here are our packs. Empty box. Starting from the top here, working our way down. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We have Lars Eller for the Canadiens. Kevin Shattenkirk for the Blues. And we've got a Spectrum rookie going to the Calgary Flames, and it is Max Reinhart. That is numbered 17 out of 25. 17 out of 25 heading to Devilish Demon. So that's a nice first hit to start us off. NHL Game Center and Spacer. And Sagan ending off that pack for the Bruins. So for Devilish Demon and the Flames, for getting the first strike, I'll be adding a pack of 12-13 OPG. So that's for your first strike winner. Pack number 2. Well, looks like we got something in there, so I'm going to save that one for last. We got the Nuge for the Oilers. And you got an Autofacts of David Savard going to the Columbus Blue Jackets. And Devilish Demon. Spacer. Luke Shen for the Flyers and Jaromir Jagr for the Bruins. There, Paul Coffey for the Oilers. Followed by a Team Canada card of Stéphane Delarovere. I do not remember what team he plays for. That one is numbered 373 out of 999. So I'm going to have to Google search that one and see who that one's going to. Game Center and Spacer. Weber for the Preds and Eberle for the Oilers. Stéphane Delarovere. That one is going to the... Looks like the St. Louis Blues. And we have some agreement in the chat, so that one will be heading to the Blues and Devilish Demon. Landeskog for the Avalanche. And we got a rookie redemption for the New York Rangers. That'll be heading to Devilish Demon. Followed by a Spacer. And we got Marian Gaborik for the Jackets and Pominville for the Wild. Stasny for the Avalanche, Wheeler for the Jets, and we got a rookie of Leo Komarov for the Toronto Maple Leafs. That'll be heading to SM Genus. That one is numbered 747 out of 999. 747. Spacer. Alexander Burrows closing off that pack for the Canucks. Then we got Doug Gilmour up top for the Leafs, followed by a rookie dual jersey of Quentin Howden for the Florida Panthers. That one is going to Devilish Demon, and it is numbered 100 out of 125. 100 out of 125. Spacer. Nicholas Kronwall closing off that pack for the Red Wings. Looks like we got something thicker in here too. We'll save that one for the last one too. And in here we got Justin Williams for the Kings, And we've got ourselves a Ruby rookie of Justin Schultz for the Edmonton Oilers. That one will be heading to a Devilish Demon. And that one is numbered 171 out of 299. Spacer, we got Wayne Gretzky for the Kings and Jamie McBain for the Hurricanes. Larry Murphy up top for the Penguins, PK Subban for the Canadians, followed by the Pecorine goalie parallel. It is numbered 641 out of 999. So that'll be heading to Devilish Demon in the Preds, Spacer, and Maxime Talbot for the Flyers. Alright, which one are we going to open up first? They both look same size of thickness. So I guess we'll just open up this one first and see what we have. Alright, so we got Matt Reed up top for the Flyers, followed by Chara for the Bruins. From the back we got Parise for the Wild, and Luke Adam for the Sabres. And we are going to follow that one up for the Winnipeg Jets. It is Andre Pavlik, and it is a jersey patch numbered 20 out of 75. That is an emerald base parallel. So that one's going to the Jets and 46 Blitz 8. And our last one here card up top is Patrick Marleau for the Sharks. Behind that we got Horton for the Bruins. From the back we got Hornqvist for the Preds. And Francis for the Whalers, a little of the Hurricanes. And behind that for, oh my, we got a Tundra Tandems dual patch of Taylor Hall and Jordan Eberle for the Edmonton Oilers and Devilish Demon. Numbered 3 out of 36. That is a beauty. We got a white and blue patch for Hall, and we got a blue and a white patch for Eberle. So that was a nice hit to close us off. All right. Good box. Alright, so now we will take a look at our high roller bonus. So this bonus will be a slot in our Dominion box break that will come up in a number of weeks, and it'll be going to the team with the highest bid that failed to get a hit. So I'm just going to have to run through my list and see which team that will be going to. And that'll be going to the New Jersey Devils and Devilish Demon. So not only did he get the most amount of hits in the box, but he also got the highest no hit. So it'll be going to Devilish Demon. So it'll be slot number 7 in our Dominion break. And following that, we will do our short straw. So here are the teams that got hits during the break. So we will take these guys out of here since they are not important for this segment. The remainder of the teams, however, will be combined into our container, shaken around. So once again, to recap, we've got the Carl Klingberg auto and the Toby Enstrom game worn gear for our short straw hits for today. So first for the Klingberg, That'll be going to the Detroit Red Wings. And Devilish Demon. Looks like Lucky Dog called that one. And for the Enstrom, that'll be going to the Pittsburgh Penguins and Devilish Demon. So Demon will sweep the short straw. And now we will take a spin for our customer appreciation spot. So here's our spin. And that is going to be red 16. So team 16 will get a entry into that Dominion break. The red card adds another chip. 16 is added to the spun numbers. And team 16 for the spot is the Pittsburgh Penguins and Devilish Demon. So once again, Devilish Demon will claim spot number 8. And we continue to fill up that chart, or that list. Alright, roulette time. So we'll spin another 2 times on the wheel, and just to add to the numbers on our board. First number is number 8 and black, so we'll add a counter to the black card. And also 233 and black. 8 and 33. So I'm going to jot those down. So here are the numbers that we have spun on the board so far. We've spun 1, 16, 8, and 33. So we'll take a look at our board and see if we can hit any of those. We had 33, which is blank. We had 16, which is blank. 8, which is blank. And 1, which is also blank. So what we'll do is we'll spin 2 more times and see if we can't hit a number. And that is going to be 35, and 35 is blank. And our second spin will be black 17, and 17 is blank. So we are going to strike out for the second time in a row. I don't think that's ever happened before. So the roulette board is going hitless tonight. And we will turn over to verses. So our black card, the 8s, that one's got 4 counters on it. And our red chip, the Juicy Rhinus, has 2. So that means our black card is going to be the victor for tonight. So we'll spin the wheel one last time and see which team is going to be taking that one home. That is going to be team number 19. So we'll take a look at our board. Team number 19 is the New York Rangers. And the New York Rangers is Devilish Demon. So congrats, Devil. You will pick up the teammates of the Dallas Stars. And Dallas is also his free team. No, I'm sorry. Dallas wasn't his free team. That was RJ806's free team. Getting my list mixed up. Alright, that is the box of artifacts for today. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Congrats to Devilish Demon for all the hits he got in this break. And hope to see you again next time.